They go to squad, yo. What y'all boys want? Y'all want some food? Squad want some food. About to give them some bread, kid. Hold on. About to give these niggas some bread before they go the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? Shit. About to give these niggas bread. You feel me? I gotta go before they go. Nigga. You know how people out there shoot them niggas away. Where them boys at, yo? Feed them niggas. Them boys like go away and shit. About to feed them. Hope the car don't make them go away. Some shit like that. About to feed them boys. What up, y'all? Yeah. Feed them boys. Boys eat some food, yo. This shit about to come every day, yo. They about to come. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know they're gonna. So I'm only feeding them once. Yeah. Look at them birds. Look at them. Look at them. That's a lot of birds, kid. What up, birdie? What up, bird? Them thing got a long ass beak, yo. Shit got a long ass beak. Look at that shit. That shit poke you in your eye, you gone, nigga. That shit poke you in your eye, you gone. Oh man. It's hot as fuck around here. Them boys about to fuck up the neighborhood. If I keep feeding them. Look at the cat. The cat wants some action. About to go get the cat and shit. Or that cat. Pelicans. Is that what they call them? Nah, that ain't no fucking pelicans. What they call them birds? I forgot the name of them. Oh shit. It's the cat. Cat about to chase them away. Them motherfuckers devour that bread. Like, damn. Nah, if they weren't gonna shit here, I would have kept feeding them, but they shit a lot. So if they were trained, I would have fed them, but they're not trained. It look like they're gonna shit all over the place if I keep getting them here. And there's gonna be more of them coming, yeah, because they're gonna tell their boys and shit. Say, y'all only get a one buffet for today, motherfuckers. After that, go.